Alright guys, this is Nifty and 15-minute chart. Let me show you where exactly going to enter tomorrow and where we enter today. So basically here you can see, so price sharp move up and finally they form a bridge. So here you can see, that means price are holding, so it's a little hole, and after that price open gap up, and the last 2 days price was running in a sideways. And finally, price break this supporting line and drop. Here you can see price drop and drop again. So after that, here you can see where exactly bridge was. So finally, price not able to break this lower point. So one thing you remember, price all the way still in uptrend, like 15-minute H1 all time frame, price are running in an uptrend, means we are looking for buy. So in that case, now you can see, so here basically I use this is called rubber band man. So here you can see rubber band man start running very fast, again take a rest. That was our perfect entry point toward the downside, but we use little bit lot size. We reduce the lot size because all the way price is up. Okay, so finally here you can see price are struggling in this area and all the way goes up and break this you can see wave. All right, so in that case we are expecting, if price not able to break this lower point, it will retest this previous higher point. So in that case I'm looking for buy above this demand zone. So basically you can say like a demand zone. All right, so in that case we use small time frame, let's say like a 5-minute chart. Today how behave. Okay, so now I can see price drop, again goes up, that was a little bit hold and sharp down, and price not able to break and goes up here. So we expecting that price may continue toward the upside. So because they break this seller territory. All right, so this is most important level. Once they break this level, so we are looking for buy only. Okay, if you not see like Bank Nifty, so this is Bank Nifty, just a minute. Yeah, this is Bank Nifty, and then let me show you 15-minute chart. Break this session. All right, so session is most important. So as I said earlier, all right, my student, they know the session. All right, what exactly session. So once the price break this session, that was a little bit hold, okay, previous. All right, so most of the people are doing big mistake here. You can see price. So one thing we confirm that was our lower point, and finally price break this lower point very sharp. So most of the people are thinking, hey, this is a strong supporting line, price will reverse from this area. This is a big mistake from this area. So that concept. So why this is most dangerous, let me tell you once again. So as I said, so first the rubber band man start running very fast. Now he waiting. Do you think the rubber band men are tired? So definitely he have strength, he have energy. So definitely he will try again. So that is why, that is our not buying opportunity. Okay. Even so, we have seen this is a strong hold, but we are not looking for buy. Okay. So next, again, rubber band man start running, but you can see first run and second run, he tired. All right, he is tired, and finally he tired. All right, he break this seller territory. Now we expecting that price will continue toward the upside. So that is why we are looking for buy tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any query, so just leave a comment.